We're here at our favorite local park where our friends are on their way, and together we are going to make cowboy cookies. I made an example for you of how we layer the cookies. I have it all set up for the kids. The great thing about this is that you can use jars that you've saved throughout the year, get the labels off. They're quart-sized jars. They need to be at least that big. So what I've done is I've labeled, I've put everything out in a line ready for the kids to grab a jar and head down the assembly line to build their cowboy cookies in a jar. And then at the end, of course, I had to make some cowboy cookies for them to eat when they're done. We're excited that we can do this with our friends as a fun activity to get together and socialize. And in the end, we've created some great holiday gifts to take home. So let's see if our friends are ready to go. Today we are going to make cookies in a jar. So when we get done, you actually get to eat cookies that I made for you last night. So at least you get to try what the cookies are going to be. What I've done is we have an assembly line for you. So you're going to grab a jar and then you're going to go down the line. So let's get started. Who wants to go first? Abby, you want to go first? Sure. We'll do Abby and then Parker. And just take your time. You don't have to rush, and help each other out if you want. Cookie? Yeah. Cookie, take one, pass it down. All right, so what do you guys think of cookie in a jar? Was it good? Was it better to eat the cookie at the end? Eat the cookie at the end? Well, now we're gonna get to go play at the park with our friends. Thanks for joining us for making cowboy cookies in a jar. And we hope that maybe you wanna get together with your friends and do this fun activity to get Christmas gifts for the holidays.